여기 링크.
And I look at this. That's one thing.
Okay, New Year gift box.
わー。
これがあれですよね。ニューイヤーギフトボックスですよね。Wow!
Wow! What a surprise!
Want to be global?
ByteDance?
Of course we are.
Look at these, so many colors. Is it heavy?
Not that heavy though. Let's see.
자, 열어볼까요? 2층이 있어, 2층이.
우와.
여기에는 뭐가 들어있을까요? 이게 뭐지? 이거 뭐예요?
핸드폰.
오, 핸드폰을 꼽는 거구나.
Ah, it's pretty. And it's a ByteDance logo here, see?
And what else do we have?
Did you get?
I have a card with the long paragraphs on the card. This gift box is a thank you for how amazing you are. Hashtag born to be global. It's a nice one. Nice hashtag. Whoever come up with this. Nice hashtag.
branding.
Yeah, it's also got a really nice message for the employees, the person who's getting this gift box. If I was not in ByteDance, I would be so jealous.
Oh, are these
Oh, there are
stickers?
the stickers. I want this on my
Great.
computer.
My laptop has been
Those
missing
looks
that
nice.
too.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a calendar. Oh, this is for the calendar. Maybe. Like this.
You're so excited about calendar.
Yeah, lots of bright photos and really cool designs. Yeah, these must be the winners of the global photo contest.
Oh, wow.
これ社員が撮った写真なんですか。すげえプロっぽい。
So that means we can take our good pictures and send it to ByteDance and they can get printed too, huh?
Yeah.
Can we?
Next year.
Okay.
I'll keep this in here maybe as a branding image.
You're so professional.
I know.
Okay, then. Oh, it's big.
Looks better than the first layer. More stuff.
이건 뭐죠? Blanket.
블랭켓, 맞아요.
Blanket.
그거는
Blanket.
담요.
I think it's really nice for traveling.
Yeah.
You can bring on the plane because we're like a global company. So
Yes.
we're always on the go.
What next? You want to open or do I? Something very unique. Wow. I love it.
Too many surprises in one box.
Oh.
Looks like something to wear.
It's a windbreaker.
Oh.
Born to be global.
Nice.
Oh, I know this also here.
It's a pretty nice slogan though.
There's a ByteDance pattern here and a place for more stickers.
This looks pretty
Amazing. It's for jogging back home after work.
My favorite definitely jacket, towel.
And some of the photos are really cool as well.
전 담요하세요.
저도 담요하고 이거 핸드폰 끼는 거. I like this. I want this.
I like this, but if you have more colors, I would love it more.
And the stickers.
Something you can show
And
off
the
every
photos.
day.
I think I got my promise for next year.
僕好きなのはこのジャンパーは結構冬のランニングに使えるかなと思います。しかもやっぱり会社のこともアピールできるじゃないですか。
This
Here.
box is
Great presents.
full of extremely beautiful things, and I love all of this, and I want to get all of this.
So I want to keep it all.